only just opened it. I've already opened it, but so it comes in a box, not in the DualSense. Oh, by the way, I've ordered the DualSense 5 controller, PlayStation controller, with paddles and trigger stops. That's the only thing that I customized about it. This is the box that it comes in. It doesn't come in a DualSense box. Uh, so literally, this is how I opened it. Opened it with this cable, since it doesn't, and the controller here. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. That's pretty much it. Now, at first, I just took the controller in my hand, and it felt really good. However, when you turn it around, so you can see right here. Just one sec, so it can focus. Right. So the top of those paddles are chipped, as you can see. They're chipped. And not only that, but the panel, the back plate of the controller is cracked as well. I don't know if you can see the cracks. Fuck. Come on, focus, man. Alright, this is the best I can do it, I think. There's literally cracks on top of it as well. Now, everything else is looks nice. Just that. It's just because I saw a lot of I saw a good reviews online, but they were mostly on Reddit, and I was looking in other people's Twitter accounts and stuff to see who purchased it and whatnot. But there aren't a lot of videos on it. So yeah, here's one, and I'll be definitely refunding that. And possibly with a full refund. Oh yeah, and that the bottom of the paddles where the little shark is, SharQ Controllers, is also I think. Fuck man, fuck this camera. Yeah, it's also chipped, kind of, or like worn out, as if it's been used already. That's pretty much it. Short video, straight to the point. I usually don't do things like this, but yeah, paid like 140 with the premium delivery for it, so just thought I'd make a video on it. See ya.